Performing chip budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials. A budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tag, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meets. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud in a half oval-like shape. Set it aside on a clean surface, bark side down. In the other rootstock, make a half oval-like cut with the same size as the first cut made. Take the first bud stick and place it into the lip of the cut at the rootstock. You can adjust the cut if necessary. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the buds start to swell.